We have schools, we have college, we have women's college, we have pharmacy, engineering college, Ayurvedic college, medical college, nursing college, law college, all institutions we have. And I must tell you that our all institutions are located in the rural area. Not a single institutions are located in the city. We have established USTM. This is a completely rural area. No institutions are available. Now if you go there, you will see that USTMs alone became a city. If you enter inside, you can say we have a 3-kilometer radius and we have more than 20 lakh square feet constructed area. We have 6,000 students and hopefully by another 4 or 5 years it will become just multiplied. So we are expecting more and more participation from the state of Manipur. That's why with a innocent mind we have approached to you, and wherever you have approached. Our first call gone to DHANAMANJURI University. He said that ठीक है हमारा hall देख लीजिए. We have available halls. If it is the program from USTM, salute madam. All the faculties from DHANAMANJURI University salute to you that they said that you use our hall. Similarly, we have connected with the other university, agriculture university, NITs, Manipur, and all the dignitaries, they said that yes, we will be joining in this program. So these are the kind of approaches and information from my side. As I have spoken out, I want to announce the last part. The last part is that we are announcing 100 beneficiaries, benefits for the 100 beneficiaries from the state of Manipur. One is 10 free seats for the traditional courses, not MBBS, not Ayurveda, because it is NEET based, score के ऊपर admission होता है, तो बाकी कोर्स में हम दे सकते हैं. 10 seats for the BAG program, जो UPSC हैं, 20 हो गया 20, 30 seats, whatever the fee structure is available with our university, उसका just 50%. But preferably students from the affected areas, preferably students from the... Can I give the reply? Yes. We have 2 batch already passed out from the university. Unfortunately, the target we could not fulfill because they mostly join IIT, central universities. So that is the compliance. You got my point? Because students nowadays have to crack the CUT. And IIT is conducting GEM for the post-graduation. So mostly students, they have already joined. And that has been designed, already told that he was 2 former UPSC chairman, plus we have 2 UGC chairmen in our governance. They are the part of advisory. So there is no need of bothering because we are a university and we complied in 2-2 in all the compliance of the University Grant Commission. In that sense, it is not required, there is no worry. Only thing is that from the very beginning, we want to focus on the UPSC examination, and UPSC examination does not mean that students will not be allowed for any other competition. Once they will be comfortable with the UPSC syllabus, these students can crack any kind of subordinate examination like state civil service examination, bank BO, railway recruitment, lots of national competitive examinations are there. So our students, hopefully from next year onwards, will have a good news that our students will be able to crack UPSC examination. Another drawback of our program was not from the student side, but from the mentor side. Most of our teachers, they have cracked UPSC and local state civil service examination. So we have chosen some people from Delhi and other places who will never appear for any competitive examinations. They have to only give the effort for the students to crack the UPSC examination. तो हमारे साथ जितने सारे फैकल्टी थे वो आइदर यूपीएससी में और एपीएससी में क्रैक करके वो सिविल सर्विस में ज्वाइन कर ली. सो आई थॉट दैट दिस विल बी समथिंग मिसलीडिंग ऑफ आवर मिशन दैट स्टूडेंट फैकल्टीज आर ज्वाइनिंग, they are preparing for their own competitive examination and simultaneously they are also teaching for their earning. So we have stopped it. Now we have 7 mentors. They all have cracked the UPSC mains examination, but for unfortunately they could not overcome the interview. So they are with us. So your question is mostly coming from the academicians. आप जैसे क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं ऐसे बहुत सारा क्वेश्चन लोगों ने किया है because the name is peculiar. Bachelor of Administration and Governance. ये पहले जब हमने फर्स्ट ईयर में शुरू किया, इसका नाम था BAAS, Bachelor of Administration Services. Later on, we got the suggestions from the top academicians that make it Bachelor of Administration and Governance. Now, already he told that our two specialization we have optional subject. One is political science, one is sociology, and that we have selected from the survey that many of the IITians, technocrats, doctors, engineers, they mostly choose such kind of subjects, sociology and political science, or anthropology, and some cases psychology, some cases philosophy. So now we are adding more subjects from this academic session like geography, history, then environmental, many such kind of subjects we are going to add. Once you are adding, then you have to have an additional number of mentors. That's why we have not added earlier. But now many students we have seen that were very much addicted for geography. So we are going to introduce geography in our BAG program. But as a compulsory subject, as a part of UPSC syllabus, geography is there, environmental science is there, international relations are there. For that we have a faculty members. So I think that in terms of compliance there is no issue, because our students are studying in Guwahati University, Tezpur University, JNU, IIT Guwahati, those who have already passed Bachelor of Administration and Governance. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Maqbul Bhai being in a league, it's a proud moment for us. And Maqbul Bhai is known as Sar Syed of Northeast, if you people are aware or not. He started with just 4 students and 1 room and 1 computer. That was his journey, and now he is here. So Maqbul Bhai, my question is, we also know that most of the parents are running for NEET and they want to become a doctor. That is the profession people are looking at. So we also want, we should have civil servants in our area. Like you said, 1.5 is the person that Northeast region has. And we are just 2 MPs strong. Ay angang ching naway da ining is akoy si MP ani kakta ne balay rise. Aduna akoy da IAS, IPS laiba darkar o yeba. Akoy ki manipur ki doctor lamalle, doctor tamro isi IAS, IPS o iseba. Administration da lai riba MP ani duga IAS, IPS lisinga malay khaladi, changma lay khaladi. Akoy na control da roi draw India se. Adu tau seba. So see what he is providing is that is the opportunity Maqbul Bhai is providing for the Northeast. Don't take it as a economic concern. Don't look at that angle. It's not a business. What he is doing is committing to the society, committing to the region. So with that aspect, my question to you is, we are poor people. What about the affordability of this course? What you have taken care for affordability of this course? What are fee structure? You have some special program for us? That is the question I'm interested in. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your appreciation. This is a program, and in the last part of this session we will be announcing that how students can, even those who are financially incapable or orphan brilliant students, for them we have lots of schemes available. Why we are today talking about the prime focus of today's session is how to crack UPSC exam. We have successfully track record in NET. You know NET? National Eligibility Test for Lecturership in the college and universities. That in every year we have more than 100 students crack NET examination from our university. NEET, if you talk about, it is also a big glamorous topic, NEET, कि हमको डॉक्टर बनना है. We have a 150 seat MBBS medical college. So we don't bother about making doctors. And now our students are nicely from our northeastern state cracking NEET examination. What is lagging behind? It is UPSC. So USTM, University of Science and Technology Meghalaya, from last 6 years, we are struggling, and he already told that Delhi is the only hotspot for the preparation of the UPSC examination. Do you think that the Northeast have no potential to create a small hotspot in Northeast? We don't have a potential? We have potential. Why? Because we have a talents. If talents are there, only we need proper guiding force, proper mentor, and that we made available at USTM. And in future, I am giving the commitment today. If our institutions are running well, by next 1.5 year, same replica of USTM IS Academy will be made available, at least in the city of IMPHAL. That is our commitment from our side. And the another beauty of this program is that probably he has not covered in a program. So I will be giving 50 marks for your presentation. One of our main focus that we want to guide our aspirant, those who are the dreamer from class 7, 8, we want to guide them nicely. He has not covered this thing. The target of this program that we want to nurture, we want to identify the aspirant from class 7, 8 onwards. You will be continuing your class 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in your own chosen school. जहां आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं वहां आपको पढ़ाई करना है. आपको 6-7 years हम लोग ऑनलाइन मटेरियल्स देंगे, ऑनलाइन गाइडेंस देंगे, एंड देयर इज नो कमर्शियल काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप विद दिस प्रोग्राम. It will be completely free, online, and sometimes we will have a contact classes during vacation, during religious vacation, during other kind of celebrations, seasonal celebrations. Our people will be coming to you, somewhere will identify school or college and will be providing. And once your 10+2 is over, you have a two option. One option that you can join USTM, this program. If you are not interested, because we have spent 6-7 years with you, so we will be continuing our services with you wherever you are. You may be in Bangalore, you may be in Delhi, you may be anywhere. In the meantime, if any other organization is not started in the same way. So our approach is clearly correct. This all the dear students presently here. If you have a younger brother and sister studying in class 8, 9, similarly the parents sitting in the front side, if your children are studying in class 7, 8, 9, and if you think that my children must be going for the UPSC, so this is an opportunity where I will connect you, and in every Sunday there will be, because many Christian students are also joining this program, so we make it after 12:30 in the second half, so that after Sunday prayer they can join in this particular online session. Similarly, if you see that number of students from a particular city or village is joining, so we'll set up a video conferencing kind of lecture session somewhere, one classroom. We'll be providing the facility so that these students can assemble in one place, because in many places, remote areas, internet is not available. So probably the Zoom classes may not be effective. So we'll be providing all such facilities. These are our dream plan for the next 6 months, and we'll be providing this facility. So BAG have two kind of aspect. One aspect that if you have a 10+2, join with us or join an online session. Second option is that if you are from the class 8, 9, 10, this is the right time that you must be getting the online guidance from our mentors, and we'll be have a regular magazine publishing in every month, and in every week 2-hour session and then 1-hour discussion along with the question series and everything they will be interacting. So this is the as a whole मैंने आपको बता दिया. Besides my mentor who has given the details information, और हम लोगों का ये जो 4 साल का कोर्स है वो 8 सेमेस्टर में डिवाइड किया है. It is not capsule, it is 8 semesters where entire UPSC curriculum very intellectually, very scientifically, and with a strong academic mindset, so that nobody can question on your degree. And BAG, Bachelor of Administration and Governance, has been adopted by more than 20 universities. As per my information, they have copied our syllabus and they have started in their university, but prominently we are the pioneer in this particular progress without success record. We don't have any success record of UPSC, but our students have cracked various competitive examination. It is not UPSC, it is other kind of competitive examination they have already joined. Thank you very much. आप लोग क्लियर है पूरा? अभी क्लियर हो गया? हाँ. How many students are studying 7, 8, 9, 10? ऐसे कोई है यहाँ? Can you raise your hands? No. अच्छा. Some students are there from 7, 8, 9. If you have a dream to become IAS, IPS, मैं अनफॉर्चुनेटली द एंटायर नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स, सब स्टेट मिला के हमारा 12, 13, 14 इससे कभी ऊपर नहीं जाता है. एंड आई हैव सीन दैट वन ऑफ द स्टेट इज मणिपुर. एवरी ईयर 1, 2, 3 इज क्वालिफाइंग फ्रॉम द स्टेट ऑफ मणिपुर. बाकी जितने नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स है एक्सेप्ट असम मिस जाता है, कभी नहीं मिलता है. बट मणिपुर स्टेट से एवरी ईयर कुछ ना कुछ मिलता है. तो मैं चाहता हूं वहां से आपका नंबर, इफ देयर इज ए 2, व्हाई यू आर नॉट मेकिंग 20? If you are 10, why you are not making 100? If it is 3, you make it 30. एक zero लगा दो. So that effort, we from the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya, from USTM, we want to collaborate. They are all institution makers sitting in the front. सारे institution के founder है, principals है, college के teachers है. I salute all of you. And many teachers I have seen sitting behind. And especially I passed out from Aligarh, so I have seen many alumni of Aligarh are also sitting. Thank you very much. And we have an announcement in the last part. Sir was asking that affordability. Affordability हमारे एजेंडा में नहीं है. हमारे एजेंडा में है, it is mission, it is vision, and we want to see this some dreamer coming out from the audience who want to pursue, who are passionate, who can spend time dedicatedly. They spend time. This is our agenda. If you are not meritorious up to the mark, or you are financially capable, in that case, it is written in the prospectus, what is the menu, what is the kind of thing. In that case, economic part is there, then you have to pay the fees. You are a private university, but we will be giving announcement for 100 students where 20 seats absolutely free. You need not pay a single penny of rupees. Now a central university, state university, you have to pay the fees. But we as a private institution, we have kept 20 seats from the state of Manipur. 10 courses, 10 seats in general traditional courses, BA, BSc, BCom, in professional courses, MBA program, other kind of programs, and 10 for this particular course, BAG, Bachelor of Administration and Governance. If any students are committed and you have a good marks means it must be minimum 80%. 80% के ऊपर है, आपका ड्रीम है, आप 4 साल हमारे साथ रह सकते हैं. छुट्टी के टाइम में 1-2 दिन मिलेगा, बाकी रिमेनिंग डेज यू मस्ट बी विथ अस. You must stay inside the campus. We have special facility, residential facility, and these are the mentors. They will be monitoring you. So 4 साल अगर दे सकते हैं, so another 10 seats absolutely free. Only you have to pay the hostel fees. Hostel fees हमारे राइस कल्टीवेशन नहीं है, अदरवाइज वो भी फ्री दे सकता था ना. That we don't have a rice cultivation, so that you have to pay. Otherwise 10 seats are absolutely free. I hope you will propagate this information to near and dear those who are from far places, and I will be more happy if I find the students coming from the rural areas and joining USTM. We have schools, we have college, we have women's college, we have pharmacy, engineering college, Ayurvedic college, medical college, nursing college, law college, all institutions we have. And I must tell you that our all institutions are located in the rural area. Not a single institutions are located in the city. We have established USTM. This is a completely rural area. No institutions are available. Now if you go there, you will see that USTMs alone became a city. If you enter inside the campus, we have a 3-kilometer radius, and we have more than 20 lakh square feet constructed area. We have 6,000 students, and hopefully by another 4-5 years it will become just multiplied. So we are expecting more and more participation from the state of Manipur. That's why with a innocent mind we have approached to you, and wherever you have approached, our first call gone to DHANAMANJURI University. He said that ठीक है, हमारा hall देख लीजिए. We have available halls. If it is the program from USTM, salute madam. All the faculties from DHANAMANJURI University salute to you that they said that you use our hall. Similarly, we have connected with the other university, agriculture university, NITs, Manipur, and all the dignitaries, they said that yes, we will be joining in this program. So these are the kind of approaches and information from my side. As I have spoken out, I want to announce the last part. The last part is that we are announcing 100 beneficiaries, benefits for the 100 beneficiaries from the state of Manipur. One is 10 free seats for the traditional courses, not MBBS, not Ayurveda, because it is NEET based. स्कोर के ऊपर एडमिशन होता है, तो बाकी कोर्स में हम दे सकते हैं. 10 सीट्स फॉर द बाग प्रोग्राम जो यूपीएससी हैं, 20 हो गया 20. 30 सीट्स वॉट एवर द फी स्ट्रक्चर इज अवेलेबल विथ आवर यूनिवर्सिटी, उसका जस्ट 50%. बट प्रेफरेबली स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम द अफेक्टेड एरियाज, प्रेफरेबली स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम द अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड रूरल एरियाज. उसमें पैसा वाला बच्चा अप्लाई कर सकता है, एवरेज फाइनेंशियली कैपेबल एवरेज है, दे कैन ऑल्सो अप्लाई. एंड नेक्स्ट 50 सीट्स, it is 2,000 rupees per month cash scholarship to the 50 student, so that we'll get more and more number of students from the state of Manipur. And if you enter in the campus, you will find it is a mini India. You will go to the campus and surrounded by the easy access. I understand your communication, your visits. If any poor students want to visit USTM and see, it is the only way that you have to make a flight ticket. There is no other option. So your communication is a very disturbing one. So we'll try to give the information at doorstep, and after that, if you have confirmed your participation with us, we'll arrange your visit to USTM. And I request all the stakeholders sitting in front, faculty members from various institutions, please you make a visit to USTM, so that with a confidence you can share the information of the university with the students, and we want to see that more and more students are at the part of the USTM. आपको एक interesting story बताएंगे. When we started engineering college in 2009, Manipur students have joined in engineering program, in BTech program, which was under NEHU. So I was sharing this story के एक hostel बनाया, first hostel, तिरोत सिंह boys hostel. So ground floor, first floor, second floor is ready, was ready. So in the morning I came to know that some students were playing in the corridor, football and cricket in the corridor, and the window has been broken. It is a new building, so window has been broken. So now I came to know that students are playing. Then finally I came to know they are the students from Manipur. They are playing in the corridor, but at that time we don't have a sports facility. Now we have a sports facility, we have a gymnasium. 400 people can do the gymnasium, the practice together in our gymnasium. So we have lots of facilities are coming up. And I hope with your participation at USTM, it will be emerging in a better way. Thank you very much.